Hi everyone, this is Ishita, the legal intern at LexClick. Today I'm gonna brief you out about the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Iran will reduce some of its commitment to the nuclear deal in response to the United Nations decision to withdraw from 2015 multilateral deal known as Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Now, what is Iran nuclear deal? Iran agreed to rein in its nuclear program in 2015 deal struck with United States, United Kingdom, Russia, China, France and Germany. Under the JCPOA, Tehran agreed to significantly cut its stores of certificates, enriched uranium, and heavy water, all key components for nuclear weapons. JCPOA established the Joint Commission with the negotiating parties all represented to monitor implementation of the agreement. Why did Iran agree to the deal? It had been hit the devastating economic sanctions by the United Nations, United States and European Union that are estimated to have cost its tens of billions of pounds a year in lost oil export revenues. Billions in overseas assets had also been frozen. Why has the United States pulled out of the deal? Trump and the opponents of the deal say it is flawed because it gives Iran access to billions of dollars but does not address Iran's support for groups the United States consider terrorists like Hamas and Hezbollah. They note it doesn't curb Iran's development of ballistic missiles and that deal phases out by 2030. They say Iran has lied about its nuclear program in the past. What are implications of United States sanction of Iran? Other countries have promised to uphold it, but their ability to do so will depend on how the compromise can be firewalled from US sanction if they continue their engagement with Iran. The sanctions often referred to as secondary sanctions, which primarily target non-US companies engaging in business in or with the Iran entirely outside US jurisdiction. Other concerns Iran can make things difficult for the US in Afghanistan as also in Iraq and Syria. The United States' ability to work with Russia in Syria or with China regarding North Korea will also be impacted. And sooner or later, questions may be asked in Iran about why it should be continued to other restrictions and inspections that it accepted under the JCPOA, which would have far reaching implications for global nuclear architecture. Coming after the rejection of the Trans Pacific Partnership (TPP), the Paris Climate Change Accord, and the North American Free Trade Agreement, President's decision further diminishes US credibility. So, what's the concerns is now? In January 2020, the following drone strike on Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Commander General Qasim Soleimani, Iran announced that it would no longer absorb the JCPOA's return restraint. The collapse of JCPOA drags the Iran towards nuclear brinksmanship, the like North Korea, which has created major geopolitical instability in the region and beyond. Significance of the deal for India. First, removing sanctions may revive India's interest in Chabar Port, Bandar Abbas Port, and other plans for regional connectivity. Second, this would further help India to neutralize the Chinese presence in Gwadar Port, Pakistan. Third, restoration of ties between US and Iran will help India to procure cheap Iranian oil and aid in energy security. So, guys, I'm gonna conclude here with the lines that the Iran nuclear deal is a joint effort by several countries While Trump's decision to withdraw did not kill the deal, it seriously wounded it. Like Trump, Biden would like the deal to be a key part of his administration vision in the Middle East, but this might be tougher than it is anticipated. I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.